Today we have a topic of pointer. So basically we discuss about pointer on a array as a character, not integer, on a character value. So firstly we include header file studio.h. Then void main now take care array like neat and we consider as a double quote single quotation as this module to represent a letter C O and C E R N concern and just mark with this to tell compiler this is a char digit. Even if we wanna include space, then we need to just mention space, then after some digit like O, some digit like K, and there is a comma between them. And lastly, closing of braces, and that's it. And we need to find out element char and is equal to size of neat braces to size of neat 0. That's it. Now we need to initialize the pointer like char strict p. Now p point to some address neat is Suppose P point to this location 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to mention 4. Now this is index of element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, even space is included, 8 and 9. We have a 9 index. Now we have basically a word like concerned and space okay, and we just try to make it concert and we try to make it concert, just a single change and with T. Using increment and decrement operator, not changing char directly. Using increment and decrement operator, we are going to change constant as a constant. So we printf here we are just leave it with printing the value. So firstly P is going to point this location. This location. So we just try to make move forward. So we need to streak plus plus P. Streak plus plus P to make forward. This. Now pointing to this. Now P pointing to this. Now again R. Now we need to again streak plus plus P to. Now it is pointing to this. Now we arrive at a fixed location where we need to change. Now streak P plus plus. That means it give value N and change it with O. Now value change with O. again plus plus. Now value again change with 1 t. Now again p plus plus. Now again value change with q. Now plus plus. Again value change with q to r. Now again p plus plus. Now again value change from r to s. Again strict p plus plus. Now again value change to t, and that is what we looking for, t. We got the result. Consort. Now we need to mention whatever changing we have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just use 8% C. So printf %C 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 %C. And finally %C. Now this is the complete procedure that we need to change console as a consort. And if we wanna print it, then we just need to, otherwise yeah, we can also mention int n. We also mention int n. That doesn't matter. We also mention int. So now we are going to printf %C, and we are just using /n and strict p. In lastly where p is pointing right now. So now we need to use for loop for int I less than n and I plus p. Using this, we don't need to calculate all the time of number of elements, so we directly use, and here number of element is stored in n, so we don't need to calculate number of element again if there is a changing in array. So printf we directly use %c and int of I, that's it. We got whatever we, and even we wanna print this word concern, okay, we can also print for loop. Using for loop we are start program basis and closes. Using for loop, for int I less than n, I plus plus, and printf %c int I, that's it. Now let's see working of this program. Here is the program, and now let's see working of this program. So firstly we have mentioned a header folder, then void main. If we use int main, even int main is also correct. We can also use int main and void main, anyone, that doesn't matter, because we are not using return 0. So void main is working correctly. Now firstly this point needs e, and for int I is equal to int I less than n, I plus plus, see, int I. Then if I is equal to 0, that will print here. We can also apply a basis for this. Here there is one statement, there is no any correlation, so we can apply. Now this will print int I is equal to 0, that will print C concern mentioned here, C. Then after I becomes I plus plus, I become 1, 1 is less than 9, 9 is what? 9. And 9 is 10. So I1 is less than n, so it print O. Then after so on, it will print concern, and there is a space, there is a space, and OK. Now firstly it will print this. After this, now we check with this plus plus p, then value becomes this, it gives r, and value pointing to this, it gives and pointing to this. pointing to this. Pointing to this. Now, strict P plus plus, it gives and plus plus, it will increment the value, that value becomes O. Strict P plus plus, it gives O and value becomes P. It gives P and plus plus, value becomes Q. It gives Q and plus plus, value becomes R. It gives R and plus plus, value become S. It will give S and value become T. Okay, that's it. Basically, as a result, we got S, R, Q, P, O, N, R for this. Now, printf %c strict P. It will, yeah, we can also print a slash n for a new line, and here we can also new line. There is no confusion. It will print SRPQ in like this, S R Q P O N R. It will print. Then after, printf %c strict P. Strict P, now it is pointing to this, it is going to print T. Here result is T. Now again for I loop, it is going to print same as a for a 0 it will print C, for a 1 it will print O, 2 and 3 C, 4 E, 5th R, 6th T and space, then after 8 O, 9 K. And then after it will, as it from for loop, whenever we enter value 10, that's we did from for loop. So this is the things we are looking for. Consort, okay. Consort, okay.